Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone dialer, select contacts, choose the contact that you want to add this profile picture to and select info. Now mark edit, click on camera icon which is for profile picture, and now you can either open your camera and grab a photo right now. You can choose something from your gallery if you want to. You can select AR emoji, like you can create it, or you can choose one from default photos here, but let me pick something from my gallery. Then you can zoom the picture in, out, you can rotate it if you want to, and finally mark save. And that's it, the photo is added. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.